Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus LibreOffice Calc. We'll explore their core functionalities, user interfaces, and overall value. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which application best suits your specific requirements, whether for personal use or professional tasks. We'll cover everything from basic data entry to advanced analytical tools, helping you make an informed decision. When it comes to core features, both Excel and Calc provide robust spreadsheet capabilities. You'll find extensive formula libraries, pivot tables, and data sorting tools in both. However, Excel often boasts more sophisticated data analysis tools, including Power Query and Power Pivot, which are deeply integrated. Calc, while powerful, might require workarounds for some highly specialized Excel functions, especially in very large datasets. The user interface presents a significant difference between the two. Excel utilizes a modern ribbon interface, grouping tools logically across several tabs, which many find intuitive. Calc, on the other hand, maintains a more classic menu and toolbar structure, familiar to long-time spreadsheet users. While both are highly functional, your preference for a ribbon or traditional menu will largely influence your initial user experience and workflow efficiency. Finally, let's consider cost and compatibility. Excel is a premium product, typically requiring a subscription to Microsoft 365, costing around $70 annually for personal use. Calc is entirely free, making it an excellent budget-friendly option. While Calc handles Excel files well, complex macros or very specific formatting might not translate perfectly. For maximum compatibility and advanced features, Excel leads. For cost-effectiveness and basic to intermediate tasks, Calc is a strong contender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.